Hello everyone, my name is Sophia B and I am the makeup artist in Bay Area, San Francisco, and I just did this makeup look. And if you want to know how to create this look, so go to tutorial. That's going to be, I'm showing you step by step how to create this makeup look. And this here, I just blow dried it and I put it on the rollers. It was a while to let them just to cool off from the blow drying and the heat protection, the curling iron, but this is what they came out like this. So I really hope you like the tutorial, and I will guys see you next time.
Okie dokie, let's start doing this. It's a spray Victoria's Secret I love, and this is the foundation, eye primer, and brows. My goodness, how easy it is. And this is the extravagant palette, and you start with the lightest shade, not the light one, but like that bronzy shade. That's, I call it the perfect Victoria's Secret shade. And you kind of like almost created like the cat eye. Then you put tiny bit of the highlight inside and use the darker shade, just create like that line. Then you take a sparkle, see, super easy, nothing hard. And you put sparkle all over your eyes. I even go even higher to a brow bone because I have hooded eyes. Naturally, honestly, anyone can create this easy eye makeup. Then you take the palette by Mario, and you take the best blackest eyeshadow that's in the market, guys. It's truly the best. It's the blackest black. It doesn't fall out. It's so good. Yep, just keep on pressing on the line that you already did, just like that. And mascara, put tons and tons of mascara, and you put the wispies. Yep, I'm drinking my hydrate, super yum. Cheers. And you're gonna clean everything under your eyes. That's why I never put a concealer, never ever. And before I do my eyes, and I just put the concealer. I actually use the MAC highlight, but I use it as a concealer and just set it. And now I put the mascara. Yep, like that. Then I use the Charlotte Tilbury, the best contouring duo, the highlight and the contour. The contour I use for my nose contouring. Yep, just like that. Love nose contouring, guys. Love it. Yep, then I put the highlight on the other side that she has, just like that. Yep, keep on highlighting. And now I'm just going to use a lip liner tint. Add a glass and voila.
So this is what the look came about.